welcome back to my class. In this class we are going to learn how to find the square root of a number using the two methods. That is, one is prime factorization, another one is division method. This division method we can call as dot method also. So the first method is find the square root using prime factorization method. To understand this concept, you must know how to express a given number into the prime factorization. Already the video is available on the prime factorization concept, that is day 7. So you can check it in the playlist day 7 video. So first you must be thorough with that, how to divide into the prime factorization, the given number into the prime factorization. Then you can understand this topic is very well. So what is the first question here? Actually, what is the meaning of the square root? For example, you have a number like 2 and you are multiplying with the same number, you get answer is 4. This is called square. 4 is the square of 2, and 3 into 3 you are taking, this is equal to 9. This 9 is called the square of 3, and 4 you are taking with the 2 times, that 4 into 4 which is equal to 16. This 16 is called square of 4. Now for example, you are taking the other one, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. This 25 is called the square of 5, but this 5 is called square root of 25. I repeat once again, this 25 is called square of 5. This 5 is called square root of this 25, right? Now, for example, 36, what is the square root of 36? 36 can be expressed as 6 into 6. So, one of the number from this we have to take, that is 6. So, this 6 is square root of 36. Similarly, if you take like 89, this 89 you can write as 9 into 9. Don't forget, I am not using here prime factorization concept, just I am explaining what is the square root and square difference. So in this 81 is the square of 9, and this 9 2 times are there, better you can take 1 9 here, so you can get this 9. That means this 9 is square root of this 81. So this is the square and square root. Now we will discuss a simple question with an example, right? That is, I am going to take 576. So this 576 we should divide into the prime factors. So the prime factors, you can follow any method, that is either prime factor tree or divisions method. So here last number is even, you should divide by the 2 this. So 2 times 2 2s are 4, and 1 we can carry here, 1 7 17, 2 8s are 16. Again 1 you can carry here, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16. So this 288 can be written as, that means we should divide by the 2, and don't forget here this 2 is the prime numbers. Okay, so now again this 288 we are going to divide, like 2 1s are 2, these 2 4s are 8, again this 8 also 2 4s are 8. Now this 2 also is a prime number, and again this 144 you can divide like 2 72 times, because 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again this 2 is a prime number. Now 72, how can you write the 72? So if you have any confusion to write the 72, better you can write like 8 9 72, but 8 and 9s are not a prime number, those are the composite number. So this 8 we can write again 2 4s and 2 2s. So these 2 completely prime numbers, and this 3 can be, this 9 can be written as 3 times. So these 3s are also the prime numbers. So finally what we got in the prime numbers, what are the prime factors of 576? That is 2 into, how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into It's a 4th time, 5th time, 6th time. And how many 3's are there here? You can check. 2 times are there. This is 1 and 2. Okay, so how to find out the square root of 576? 576. Square root of 576, we write now square root of, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we have 2 times 3 into 3. So what we do now, prime factorization. Already we have discussed the square root of a number like 36 mean we write 6 into 6. Then one of the 6 is the answer for this. That means the square root of 36, right? So to get like this, don't forget here, from every 2 number you should get 1 2 is the outside. From these 2 you should take 1 more 2 is the outside of a square root. From these 2, that means this, from this way you can take 1 more 2 is the outside, and here we have 2 times of 3, take 1 3 is the outside, right? Now you should try to multiply this, then you will get 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. So the final answer is 24. So 24 is the square root of 576, and if you have any doubt you can check by multiplying like 24 times. If you multiply 24 into 24, you will get answer is 576. So this 576 is called a square of 24. These 24s are called a square root of 576. And we can take one more example. That example I am going to take 1296. So how we can write this 1296? So you can use either factor tree or division method to express the given number into the prime factor. This time I am going to take division method, 1296. So this number I am going to divide into the prime factors. Right now, so this number, for example, last number is 6 here, so that you can divide this by 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16. Now take last number is 4, again even number, so that we can divide by these 2. 2 3 times are 6, 2 times are 4, and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table here, 2 1s are 2, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12, and 2 2s are 4. So again we can divide because last number is 2, which is even number. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Next 3 is a number here, 3 2 6, and we take here 2 2 1 21, 3 7s are 21. Now 3 9s 27, 3 3s 9. So just you can observe this completely we have taken the prime numbers. Here we should use completely prime numbers. Then how many 2's are there here? That is 1 2 3 4. So 4 times we have 2. So we write here 1 2 3 4. And how many 3's are there? 1 2 3, and here is one more 4. So 1 2 3 4. Actually here it is a prime number, this 3, so that I left it. If you want to take again this, so just to take 3 1 times. So finally here we have 4 times of 3. Now I'm going to take from these two, means these all are the pairs of the numbers to find out the square root. Okay, now I'm going to find the square root of 1296. From these two we get 1 2 is the outside here, into from these two another 2, this into again here another 2 into, and write these 2. So sorry, this is 3 and here also it is. This is 3 and this one also 3, right? Now what is 2 times? That is 4. 4 3s 12 and 12 3s 36. So the final answer is 36. So this is the model to find the square root using prime factorization method. One more example. $2025. I'm going to take 2025. So this one again I'm going to take here using division method. 2025. So the last number is 5 here, so that we should divide by the 5 table. 5 4s 20, 5 4s 20, but there is no other number to take here because 5 4s are 20 we got, and now I'm going to take directly this 25, like 5 5s are 25. When we take here two numbers are directly, then middle you can take here 0. It is 405 but not a 45. So take again 5 here. 5 8s 40 and 5 1s are 5. This 8 we can write as 3 table, means with the prime number 3 we should divide it. Then 3 2s are 6 and we have 2 1 21. That means 3 7s are 21 and it is 3 9s 27. So 3 3s are 9, again 3 1s are 3. So this is completely a prime numbers. Now to find the square root of 2025, now we should divide it like, how many 3's are there? 1 2 3 4. Take 4 times. 1 2 3 4 and take that 2 times 5 here. This is 5 into 5. Okay, so that now what we do, take 1 3 from this, take another 3 from this into I have written here. Okay, so 3, and take again this into symbol and take from this 2 1 5 is outside. Now you can check, these 3 3's are 9 and 9 5's are 45. So 45 is the answer for 2025. So this is completely model how to find the square root of a number using the prime factorization method. Now we will discuss how to find the square root using dot method, that is division method. Now you are going to learn how to find the square root through the division method. So let us discuss with an example. First, suppose if it is a number like 784, I'm going to take example like 784. So how to find this one using the division method? First you can focus on a number, that is, this is unit digit. Take a point or take a dot on unit digit and leave this second main, that means tens place, and keep one more dot on 100th place. Now you can see here, you can observe here we have the dot at only one digit, but here we have a dot at, of course it is a one digit, but its range is up to this 2. That means we should take a bar on this 2 number. Now here we have a number like 7. So 7 nearest to perfect square we have to search. So what is the meaning of the perfect squares? That is 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. These are the perfect squares, right? Now 7 is nearest to 2 2s are 4, right? That means 7 you can get actually here, but this 9 is more than the 7, so that we will prefer this 2 2s are 4. So now I am going to take 2 2s 4. Now you can subtract from 7 this 4, then you will get here 3. Now bring down these 2 digits, 8 4 84. Now what we do here, for these 2 we should take 2 times of a number, that means twice of these 2, that is 4. Take a 4 here Now 4 is actually in the tens place. Now we have to select ones place and we should multiply with the same number here, right? That means if you are taking 1, just multiply by 1, then you will get 41. If you are taking 2 in its unit place, just multiply by 2 again, then you will get 84. Now if you multiply with 3, again you should take here 3, then this is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12, this is 129. So similarly, the last number we have 4, so there is only 2 possible chances to get the last number is 4, that is 2 2s are 4, again 8 8s are 64. So we should select a number in this. Already I have tested here, that is 42 into 2 is equal to 84, but I want here 384, so that I am going to check with this number. 8 8s are 64, right? So now I am going to take here the 4 after 8 and will multiply by 8, then 8 8s are 64 and 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38, 384. Yes, it's satisfied. So that the digit what I am going to take here, that is here 8 and here also it is 8. Then the answer here 384, this 384 we write here. Now the remainder we get 0. Then observe this number 28, so that the square root of 784 is 28. So this is the easiest model actually comparing prime factorization. Okay, now the next example is I'm going to take 1296. So before going to solve this one, as per the rule we should select a unit place. So just keep a dot here, leave the tens place, again take 100 place, that means alternate places we should take, right? Now just to take a bar, see 2 is there, 2 before we have 1, so just to take a bar for 1 and 2, and 6 upon we have a dot, and 6 before we have 9, so take a bar for 9 and 6. Now you can take a number which is nearest to 12. So actually 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. So which number will select now? 3 into 3 equal to 9, because the 12 you get between 9 and 16, 16 is more than 12, it should be avoid. Then 3 into 3 equal to 9 we should take here. So just I am going to take here 3 and here 3, that equal to 9. So 12 minus 9 equal to 3. Now bring down this 9 6 here, then you will get it 396. So as per the rule, next what we do, we should take a number here, that is the 2 times of 3, that is 6. Now take a number at tens place and unit place. Tens place number is 6, so the unit place number we have to select now. Observe here, in its unit digit we have a 6, so we have only 2 chances to get 6 in its unit places, that is 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, and other chance we have that 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. So we can check with these 2 numbers, that is with 4 and 6. Now I am going to take 4 here and will multiply by 4. Now this is 4 4s are 16 and 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25, 256, but I want here 396, so 4 is not a required number here. Then again 6 after I am going to select this 6. Now 6 after we will take the 6 and multiply by 6. Now 6 6 are 36, again 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39, so 396. Yes, 396 is satisfied here. Now if you subtract this, you will get the remainder is 0. The number what I have taken, that is here it is 6 and here also 6, so 3 6 36 is the square root of 1296. Okay, so it's really easy model. So for your understanding, we'll discuss one more example. That is, now I'm going to take an example 8281. So how to solve this one? Right, so take a dot here and leave the tens place. Take one more dot on 100 place. Right, now take a bar here, and for this two also bar. 82 is a number. 82 nearest to perfect square is, that is 9. Take 9 nines 81. Now subtract it. You will get here 1 and bring down this 81. So it is 181. So here we should write 2 times of 9, that is 18. So 18 after, we should select a number that is a unique digit here, and we should multiply with the same digit, that is 1 I am taking here. Again with an 1 I am going to multiply. 181 ones are 181. Now the remainder is 0. So here I took a number, that is here 1 and here also 1. Now observe this number, that is 91. So the square root of 8281 is 91. So I hope you understood this complete model today. That is how to find the square root of using prime factorization method and division method. Now we will discuss how to find the square root of a non-perfect square. So one non-perfect square I am going to take, that is for example 3. So how to find the square root of a 3? With the 2 decimal places I am going to take. So 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places mean take 2 times, means twice. That means I should take a 4 zeros after the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I am going to take a point here on unit digit, and after the decimal point, leave the 10th place, take on 100th place, leave the thousands and take on 10,000. So take a bar here and here. Now 3 nearest to perfect square, that means 1 ones are 1. Okay, we get 2 here. Now bring down these 2 zeros, it become a 200. Take 1 2 times, it become here 2. So now you can select a 2 after a number, right? 2 after a number. So don't think about zeros here, because that concept is different. In the perfect square, when we are finding the square root of a perfect square, then the number what we are selecting, it is depend on the last digit. For example, last digit is 9. You can check with the 3 and 7, because 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. But here that logic is not applicable, because we are going to find maximum 2 decimal places, right? So how to do this? Just you can check with the trial and error method. That means I am going to select, for example, like 3, and I will multiply by 3. Then I will get here 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, 69, right? 69 is too smaller than this one, so that just a number I am going to take like 7 and multiply by 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 89, which is nearest to this number. Then what I will do, I will test with 8 also. Then 8 8 64, 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 22, 224, right? So now I am going to take a number here 7, because this is the suitable number for this 189. So 7, and here also I am going to take a 7, but don't forget that these 2 zeros I have taken after this decimal point, so that you can keep a point here. Now by subtracting we get here 11. Now bring down these 2 zeros also, it is 1100. Now for this 1.7 we take 2 times of this 1.7. So consider this is as the 17, and take the 2 times. 17 2s 34. So 34 is a number here, and multiply this 34 with a suitable number to reach nearest to 1100. Now I am going to take 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 1029. Now if I take 34 after 4 and multiply by 4, 4 4s 16, 4 4 16 plus 1 17, 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13, which is more than this 1100. So the suitable number is here 3 and here 3, then the number is 1029. So this is the answer for root 3. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. Just only 2 decimal places I have taken. So this is the concept to find out a non-perfect square, the square root of a non-perfect square. So I hope you understood today complete concept how to find out the square root of the given numbers, and here is some questions to you. So I hope you understood today concepts are very well. So you can select any method to solve these questions here. Here is some questions for practice. So practice this question with a suitable method. So the first given numbers are completely to the perfect square, like 1089, 6084, 9025, so and 68.89 and 84.64. This 68.89 and 84.64 you can find out using division method. And the last two numbers, that is 7 and 10. This 7 and 10 is the non-perfect square. Find out the non-perfect square using 2 decimals or 3 decimals. That is your wish, because you are going to practice this model question. So that is the topic today. So this is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.